We are back on the R6. I don't even know how to explain it. I fucked up the settings to my GoPro like a dummy. I don't know if you saw in the 400 subscriber video. Oh, I got traction control on. Yeah, so I had fucked up the GoPro settings and made it too bright, and I forgot to do it in the last video. So I'm out here today to make up for it for you guys. So I can't even drop on a Wednesday. So yeah, I can't even drop on a Wednesday, and that kind of sucks. Sorry if you hear me chewing, I'm just chewing gum. But yeah, so I can't even drop on a Wednesday, and it's gonna rain all week, so there's no KP. Look at this car. What the hell? What the hell? He got it. Oh my god. Shout out. But yeah, so as I was saying, I can't even drop on a Wednesday, so I'm really sick about that. And the video that we had was really good, so I had to come out and redo, because I wasn't gonna drop 2 shitty videos again. You know what I'm saying? Wow. Don't know what that was all about. What? That guy just literally just honked at me telling me to go, and I was doing speed limit. But yeah, I hope y'all days are going well. It's kind of weird not having KP in the video. It's like the first time in a while that I had a video with no KP. So that's how that's gonna go. I do not know what we're gonna be doing in this vlog. I'm probably gonna go around and just do wheelies all day, because I don't even know how to do clutch ups, and all I can do is power wheelies today. I got the 150 back though. I did get the 150 back, so we're gonna be on it maybe Saturday. But yeah, we're gonna hit some curvy roads real quick and see how those come out. Woo. I'm feeling a little aggressive today. I don't know, I feel like I'm on the edge. I feel like I gotta get some stress relieving out, because woo, I was a little heated about that video shit. But happens to the best of us. We'll make up for it today. Since KP's not even here, let's give him a quick little shout out. He's always helpful with me, kind as hell to me. So check KP out on YouTube, 2turn TV. That's 2 with 2 O's, turn TV. And we'll obviously spell it out for you right now. Whoop. Right there. Check his TikTok out at Jixter Patron, I think. Wow, look at that house. Wow, that was big. But yeah, check his TikTok out. Yes, check his TikTok out. I can't even speak. Check his damn TikTok out at Jixter Patron, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'll put the obviously I'm gonna put the thing in the description and spell it out right now. Let's go this way. Gravel, be careful. Try to get some cars behind me. Yeah, I don't want to go over the double yellows today. Just wanted to get some curvy road action, but I guess this will do. Yeah, I would love to get on it. I gotta get something to cover my speed. Like I'm not the one to try to flex my speed or how fast I'm going. What the hell? That thing was covered in the roots or whatever that was. But yes, I'm not the one to flex how fast I go or anything like that. I'm not a flexer at all, actually. I just didn't cover it, and I don't know how to do the blur thing. So what I'll do is I'm gonna be putting the tape or something, almost like Killer Cam or something. Yeah, we're gonna be taking off the cat. I posted on TikTok. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, check me out on TikTok. It's the same as my YouTube name, Vonvlogz with a Z. I posted a video of that what's the best sounding exhaust, and they were talking about full headers, all that. Do I have that money? I won't lie, no. And I don't know if I really truly should be putting on the full exhaust, because it is almost the end of the riding season, sadly. And that's the thing about PA, I don't have it all year. So we'll be on the dirt bike and the R6 will be sleeping in her little fucking hideaway. Let's get some quick little man. Oh, that's pretty good. Nice little quick little run through. That was pretty good. Not too bad for, oh shit, I'm for neutral. Dumbass. That's not too bad for just warming up, kinda. Didn't really get off the seat or bring my knee out as much, but that's where the so what I was saying earlier, the R6 is going to be in a sleeping spot during the winter. Obviously the 150 will come back out. Maybe we'll be thinking about getting a 250. I was looking at RMZs, YZs. I do like the CRFs. There's a lot of bikes I do like. I'm just trying to pick like kind of more of just the best money situation, because I'm not made of money and I would love to get another bike, another dirt bike, a bigger dirt bike. Yeah, I would love to get a bigger dirt bike. Can I afford something super crazy? No. Just a lot of other life kind of stuff going on where I'm trying to set certain stuff up, get ready to become a big boy. But yeah, so I'm grateful for what I have. I'm not gonna rush into anything. I feel like the 150 is still good enough. Like a whip. There you go. See, cruiser people are nice. Another cruiser. See what he does. Oh. Pretty cool guy. Shorts and the fucking riding jacket. That guy had shorts and a riding jacket on. At least make it make sense, you know? Had to slam on the brakes. That's the thing about power wheelies. You gotta have enough space to do them. I'm gonna keep that voice crack in there too, but you gotta have enough space to do them power wheelies. If not, your ass is done. Your ass is grass. But yes, it's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. I don't know if I said it earlier. It's gonna be raining Thursday and Friday. Yeah, Thursday and Friday, and then Saturday is gonna be a sunny day. So I'm thinking about bringing the 150 out either Friday or Saturday. See what we can find. Might bring KP along. Try to bring KP along. See what he's doing. Yeah, now on the 150, I'm going to be learning how to do clutch ups. They say that on clutch ups, it comes up way more like harder, and you got to get used to your rear brake and shit. So I'll try that. We'll practice on there and see how it comes out. Hopefully by Saturday, you guys will see a nice little cool